On May 2nd, 2023, the FMCSA amended the drug and alcohol testing program to include oral fluid testing. Trucking companies may now use oral fluid testing in place of urine testing. This change is occurring for a few reasons in the trucking community. The first is the oral fluid test is cheaper and easier to perform. You don't need a private room to spit into a cup and produce the oral sample. With a urine test, the subject would go into a private room and pee in a cup, which would be used for drug testing. Some issues that could occur were things like shy bladder or an inability to urinate. This removes those hurdles. Oral fluid testing has been around a long time, but the technology was unproven. Only recently did it reach a level where it met the criteria to be introduced on this level for drug testing. Sometime in the near future, it will become the norm when you go in for a random test. As of today, May 25th, 2023, when I made this video, there are not enough certified technicians to perform the test. That needs to happen before it will become the norm. The other reason they made this change is it is much harder to cheat on an oral test. With the urine test, cheating has been occurring with things like synthetic fake urine. However, the risks associated with that are simply not worth it. In Illinois, being caught with fake urine is a felony. A felony is a very permanent mark on your record that can hurt your ability to make a living. Once you are a felon, it is very hard to get a normal job. This assumes you escape jail and only get hit with a drug fine, but you can absolutely land in jail for cheating on a drug test or simply having synthetic urine in your possession. You also have no idea what you are getting. Many of the drug facilities can and will often catch the fake urine when they test the sample. And any guarantee you see on a website or the product is nonsense, because you will have to admit to committing a felony in order to try and sue them after you failed the drug test. So the bottom line is, you're better off failing the drug test than you are trying to cheat. Best practice, of course, is simply don't take drugs. You will get caught. It's only a matter of time, and you can absolutely face prison time for having an accident if you're on drugs or alcohol. Another change that is occurring, and it isn't new, but hasn't been implemented everywhere, is a CDL downgrade. If you fail your drug or alcohol test, your CDL will be downgraded by the state you got your CDL in. After finishing a return to duty process with a SAP, your CDL would then be reinstated. And just a reminder, failure to go to a drug testing facility or alcohol facility when directed to do so is treated the same as a failed drug or alcohol test. Refusing to comply once at the facility will also get you a failed drug and alcohol test.